So my case is a toric IOL in a post-trabeculectomy, post-pterygium case. This trabeculectomy was done 5 years ago. It's a good trap, and pterygium surgery was done 1 year back. So we start with marking the this for a toric IOL because the patient had about 5 diopters of cylinder.
पिछली बार भी आपका भी नहीं ऑडिबल था शुरू में कुछ किया था आपने शायद ईयरफोन लगाया है
So we don't want to touch the bleb. I tried using a Simcoe to avoid making the second side port because I didn't want to disturb the area of the bleb. But I had difficulty removing the subincisional cortex, so I made a second side port to facilitate that cortex removal. Sometimes we have to go against the original plan. We put in a toric IOL, which was calculated using the Barrett online toric calculator, and the axis of orientation was 94 degrees. We have to thoroughly wash away the visco so that we can avoid rotation of the IOL, which has to be aligned post-op, and B, blockage of the trabeculectomy site by any viscoelastic. Patient was doing very well. Vision is 6.9 and IOP on last visit was 14 millimeters of mercury.
Very nice presentation, Dr. Nikhila. I think we have Dr. Gunjan. She is also a glaucoma specialist, so we'd like to have her views on this. Dr. Gunjan.
Yes, this was a very wonderful surgery, very nicely done. And the idea of using Simcoe was good because anywhere, anything what we do near bleb, it always disturbs the bleb. Even if there is overhydration, it disturbs the bleb. So better you do with a coaxial or a Simcoe. But most of time, as you said, we have to do another side port. And the thing is, after 5 years, if the bleb is functioning well, I think someone has done a very good AGS.
Yes.
And what if the patient has any other trauma or anything like that? Because pterygium one-eyed.
Yes, ma'am. No, the other eye has glaucomatous optic atrophy. It was like that when he
Okay.
presented. And this eye was having pterygium, having this already bleb. So we planned pterygium surgery first so that we could reduce the cylinder, but he still had
-5
5.
is yes, but
Yeah.
bleb may
Bleb
cause
may be contributing.
may be contributing.
Yes, ma'am.
The thing is that whenever you are doing phaco or any cataract surgery after trap, if the bleb is functioning, you have to be very careful. Avoid excessive manipulation, and preferably do post-op steroids. You should be using it cautiously also.
Ma'am, I also read that we should be using it for a longer time, like 6 weeks, to prevent post cataract surgery, the flare.
Bleb fiber. Anything, see,
yeah, I
any
want to-
inflammatory mediators which goes to bleb, it causes fibrosis. So anyhow,
Yeah,
most
ma'am.
of people are using 4 weeks or 6 weeks, but don't go for aggressive steroid use.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Dr. Nikhila, I had one point to make.
Yes, ma'am.
It's an excellent surgery. However, I saw that you did the marking intraoperatively.
No, ma'am. I had done it in
Yeah.
OPD, pre-operatively.
Yeah, that is the most important thing for a toric IOL.
Yes, ma'am. Because after I give the block, obviously there will be some cyclotorsion. It was not seen, I think, in the video. I kind of edited that part out, but I just enhanced the marking before surgery.
Yeah, because you know that for every degree of IOL rotation, there's a 3.3% loss of
Yes, ma'am.
astigmatic correction. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.